Okay, so for today's activity natin, we will be creating a parallel electronic circuit. So, meron tayong mga kailangan materials. We have the breadboard. Then we have here the lead or light emitting diode. Meron tayong red. Meron tayong orange, green, tsaka blue. And of course, kailangan natin ng apat na resistor. Ilang source natin, we have the 9-volt battery. Tapos, meron tayong push button switch. This one, push button switch natin. And we have 6 na jumper wires, male to male jumper wires. So, what we will do first, kailangan muna natin ilagay yung ating mga diode. So, we have to move our breadboard like this. And then, kuha tayo ng first na lead, red. So, galing dito, banda na side, pinaka left side na hole, dito bandang center, bilang ka lang ng 15. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bakit 15? Ang purpose is para lang meron tayong space dito para sa ating push button switch. So, galing dito na hole, papunta dito, that is 15 counts. Next, lagay natin yung orange. Itong orange naman, from cathode leg ng red, bilang ka lang ng 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dyan natin ilalagay yung second lead natin, which is orange. Next will be green, ganun din. So, from cathode ng yellow, bilang ka lang ng 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos, dyan mo siya ilalagay. And for the last bulb, so galing sa cathode ng green, bilang ka lang ng 5, 3, 4, 5. At dyan mo ilalagay ngayon yung ating blue. What's next? Ilalagay natin ang ating resistor. So resistor natin, of course, kuha ka ng isang resistor. Then, ito yung cathode. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa negative power rail. Ayan. Next, kuha tayo ng pangalawa. So, cathode ng orange, ilalagay natin sa negative ng power rail. Ayan. Next, we have the third one. Cathode ng green, lalagay natin sa negative. Oops. Cathode ng green, lalagay natin siya sa negative. Ayan. Ang power rail. And last, of course, is ang negative ng blue lead. Lalagay natin sa negative ng power rail. Ayan na. So, nailagay na natin ang apat na resistor. Kailangan natin ayusin talaga. Sometimes, ito yung magiging reason why magkakaroon ng biglang disconnection. Ayan. Next, of course, is kailangan natin ilagay itong ating button, power button. So, lagay natin bandang unahan, kuha ka lang ng pwede niyang paglagyan, then lock this one. Ayan. So, we have now our switch. Ayan. So, meron na tayo itong switch. the red LED, orange LED, green LED, blue LED. Tapos in each LED, meron tayong resistor. The other end of the resistor is connected sa cathode ng LED, and the other end is connected naman dito banda sa negative ng power rail. So the same lang ito. Next is lagyan natin siya ng connections. So that is positive ng ating red LED papunta dito banda na side. So that is tusok mo lang siya dyan na side. Ayan. Tapos follow, you have the yellow. So anode ng yellow papuntang switch. Tapos anode ng green papuntang switch. Tapos anode ng blue papuntang switch. Ayan. Then of course, jumper natin from switch papuntang positive ng power unit. So ayan na. Kabuo na tayo ng ating tinatawag na wiring. So lagay tayo. We have here the positive and the negative of our power source. So ilapit lang natin this one, yung ating 9 volts battery connector. Tusok lang natin siya dyan, ganyan. Then hawakan mo lang and then switch on kung ilaw ba. Ayan o, kung ilaw siya. Ibig sabihin, our connections are working. If in case naman na hindi siya mag-turn on, try to check kasi baka nabaliktad lang itong iyong power source. Halimbawa, instead na negative, nalagay mo siya sa positive. Ganyan. So, if you will try to switch it on, hindi talaga ilaw yan kasi nga baliktad siya. Hindi naman ito reverse bias, kundi forward bias kasi yung load natin. Kaya mangyayari, one direction lang talaga yan. One direction lang siya, tsaka siya iilaw. Ayan. Okay. So, ganun lang. Of how you will try to create a parallel electronic circuit connection composed of one switch button, 4 na lead, 4 na resistor, and the electrical jumpers. Of course, meron tayong 9 volts battery tsaka breadboard. Okay? Thank you.